Welcome back! In this video, you will see how to pass any data from the app to the voice assistant and use it further in the dialog. In our app, we have the action button that can be used to increment the counter. Let's assume we want to voice enable this scenario. When the user taps the button, we'll send the current count to the voice script to play it back and then use the captured value for other voice commands. We'll do it with Alan's projectAPI. You can find this functionality helpful if you need to send data to the voice script side, or you want to do some logic without a voice command. For example, call a function or assign values to variables when the user performs some activities in the app. To use the projectAPI, we'll do the following. First, we'll define a new projectAPI method in our script, and next, call this method when the user taps the increment button. Opening the voice script to add a new method here. We'll type projectAPI followed by the method name. Our method takes three parameters. P, Alan's predefined object that lets you access Alan-specific functions like play. Params are the data that we'll get from the app, and the callback function to be invoked when the rest of the code has been run. We'll make it really simple. Our method will get the current count from the app and play it to the user. And the next step is to call our projectAPI method in the app. We'll add a new sendData function to our homepage widget. Here we'll call our getCount method and pass the current count value with it. Don't forget to import the .convert library for JSON encode. Let's also update the code for the increment button to add the sendData function call. And we'll check it in the app.
The current count is 1, keep on going. The current count is 2, keep on going.
Our voice assistant now plays the current count only if the Alan button is activated. To support all cases, we need to make a small update in the sendData function. First, we'll check the button state, and if it is deactivated, activate it programmatically. To do this, we'll use two Alan's client API methods, isActive and activate. Let's run the same test once again in the app.
The current count is 1, keep on going. The current count is 2, keep on going.
Now we can hear the current count regardless of the initial button state. The data we've sent from the app can now be used in our script. For example, we can add an intent to check the current count. To do this, we'll first save our count value to the user data object. The data stored in this object is available for the whole dialog session with the user and can be passed between intent calls. And we'll add a new intent to hear the current count. Let's see how it works.
The current count is 1, keep on going. The current count is 2, keep on going.
What's the current count?
The current count is 2.
With the toolkit Alan AI offers both for the voice script and the client side, you can implement the voice user experience for any app and any scenario. Learn more at alan.app today.